Okay, this is the section B of your CT2 Max 2015, number 16, smallest to greatest. This one, for this type of question, you should not have any more problems. Okay, arrange them this way. Smallest, remember. All right, 4 digits. Okay, 50 is smaller than 55. And these two 5 digits here, 500 here is smaller than 505. Okay, then you reach them. Next, over here you need to be very good, do not have any more mistake in this. Let me try to just see whether I can do something. 2 times 6 is 12. All right, 12, you put here 1. Okay, 1/10, put here to the 5/10. Okay, now take 5 times 6 first. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. 1 carry 3. Okay, sorry, carry 3 over here. All right, this is 3 is actually 300. Okay, now 300 times 6, right? Or 3 times 6 is 18. 19, 20, 21. So you put 21 over here. All right, you should be able to get 2 marks. All right, for that. Okay, let me get it out again. Problem with this thing. All right, carry on. Measure the angle. Okay, this one you have to be really good at it yourself. Train yourself up to. I got the answer is 132. If your answer is 133 or 131, it will still be marked as correct. Let's carry on. The line that is, okay, let me probably squeeze it smaller a little. Okay, the line that is parallel to AB and perpendicular to CD is this line GH. Okay, can see GH. Okay, perpendicular to CD over here. Okay, all right, parallel to AB. Okay, let me see, parallel to AB. Okay, you do this, parallel to AB, perpendicular to CD. All right, okay, let's carry on. Okay. Next, right. So you have this number, you break it into the 2 holes, right? You take a look very carefully. Maybe let me get it bigger up for you. Okay, so this 2 hole is here. This 2 hole is actually this. All right, then this is the 3/10. All right, this 3 here is 3/10. Okay, sorry about that. Again, I have trouble with this zooming in and out. Okay, this 3/10 is this, and the remainder going to be 42. Okay, 42. Over here is over 1,000, right? Okay, now this 2 is inside here, is there's a 2. All right, 2 over this 2 over 1,000. This is 40, so it's actually 40 plus 2, so you have answer is 42. Right, you can figure this out yourself slowly. Let's carry on. Okay, now we have this Ben and Jim bought some books, bookmarks. Ben spent $7.15. He spent amount of money $5.35 less. Okay, the keyword here is less. Okay, less. Okay, less than Jim. How much money did he spend on his bookmark? Okay, so Ben is here $7.15 lesser than Jim. All you have to do, find Jim, take this 2, add together, 7.15, add this, you will get Jim's. All right, which is 12.50. Let's carry on the next one. Okay, express this as decimal. First, what you need to do, leave this 1 whole alone, convert this into denominator of 100. Now you must understand and know that 25 can be converted into 100 by multiplication of 4. So bottom you times 4, top times 4. It is actually this. From here you can convert to decimal easily because you understand this part. 12 divided by 100 is 0.12. Add the whole number over here, so this whole thing is 1.12. Next, find the missing number in the box. If you times something, you get, now watch out for this, many of you missed out this decimal point. 1 point something 5 times 7 is 8.75. So all you have to do, take 8.75 divide by 7, right? You get 1.25. The answer is 2, right? Some of you wrote down here 1.25. That is not the answer we want. We want the answer of this digit over here at the 10th place. All right, so it is 2. Next, round off each number to the nearest whole number, then estimate. Round off these two numbers first. So this is rounded up to 7. This is rounded down to 2. So after rounded up, them up is 7 plus 2, right? You add them up, okay? Then you get 9. Easy, straightforward, right? Express this time. This 12:05 a.m. is midnight. All right, midnight is anything past 12 a.m. is the next day. So the next day is the first 5 minutes of the day. Okay, after 00:00, 5 minutes later is 00:05. All right, at the beginning of the day. In a 12-hour clock, make sure the answer is this way. All right. Sorry, in the 24-hour clock is this way. This is the 12-hour clock system. This is the 24-hour clock system. Now over here, okay, it's quite straightforward. All right, let's see the first question. Let's see. The first question is complete the table. All right, by filling out the missing number. All you have to do, let's see whether there's any hint to it. Yes, for badminton, all right, you have the total. All you have to do, take the total, less of this 10, less of this 12, less of this, you get that. Okay, then do the same as this for this blank over here. Okay, 27 minus 7 minus 9 minus 6 gives you 5, and the rest the same. All right, the same process. Now based on this information above, okay, of 26, how many more you're asking about more, how many more 4C students took part in swimming and then cycling? All right, swimming and cycling, add swimming and cycling together in 4C compared to soccer. Right, if you look up again, we are only talking about 4C. 4C, this whole straight line here. Now let's take a look. Okay, add swimming and cycling together. This is cycling and swimming. Total is 28 compared to this, the number of soccer here. So 28 compared to 5. All right, so what is the difference? 28 minus 5 is 23. The difference of number of pupils in that CCA is 23. There are 39 students in Mrs. Lee class. 1/3 of them are boys. Right? How many are girls? You must know that 2/3 are girls. If 1/3 are boys, the remainder or the rest of them, which is 2/3. So you take 2/3, all right, times 39. All right, you cancel this with this. 39 divided by 3, this is 1. 39 divided by 3 is 13. So 2 times 13 is 26. 26 of them are girls. 2/3 of 39, right, equal to 26. For this is straightforward. Peter is facing southeast, right? At first, where is he facing? He was facing here, okay, right? He was facing here. Let me see. He makes a 3/4 turn. 3/4 means 390 degrees turn. 390 degrees turn. Okay, 1/4 is here, 190 degrees, 290 degrees, 390 degrees. Okay, he made a turn from here anti-clockwise. He should be facing southwest. Okay, southwest. This is southwest. Over here, the figure is made up of a square and a rectangle. You must be able to understand this. Okay, square and rectangle. Can you see? The square is here. This is a square. This is a rectangle. Alright, so the length of the square is 11. It means all sides 11, 11, 11, 11. The length of square 11. Find the length of CD. Where is CD? CD is here. Here, the question mark. Okay, find the length of CD, the question mark over here. So how do you find? You take 35, the whole length here, minus of this 9, okay, minus of 11, which is here, and it should give you the answer. Okay, it should give back the answer, right? 9, okay, 35 minus 9 minus 11 should give you the answer. 35 minus 9 plus 11, 35 minus 20. All right, you should get the answer as 15 cm. Next, Peter's mass is 64.5. Okay, this is the rounded off number. Okay, to the nearest tens. To the nearest tenth, it means here down and here up all the way. Okay, right? It should be only going down by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 all the way down, not by hundreds. Okay, not by thousands, but by tens. By this, by you go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way down. Now, one step by one step. The next step down is 64.49. Okay, this is 50. Go down is 49. This is 48, 47, 46. Okay, 48. Wait, 48, 47, 46, and this one should be 40. This one should be here. This one should be over here, right? Now, so give your answer to 2 correct decimal place. All right. Take note, the key word is least. Okay, what was his least possible mass? Means we do not talk about the maximum, the greatest possible mass. So we don't deal with 64.5152554. No, not this part. We deal backward here. Okay, right? The least possible should be 64.4546. Okay, just hang on first. You got a slight mistake here. This one over here, this one should be a 5. Okay, it should be 5, not 6. This should be 5. Okay, the least one 64.45 rounded off here. Okay, let's carry on. Now a plant is 24.3 cm tall. It grows 1.18 cm taller every week. So for 3 weeks, the plant would have grown 1.18 cm times 3. This is the increase in height for 3 days. This is the original height of the plant. So you take original height plus the 3-day increment. It should be this, right? After that, please write your answer into 1 decimal place, round off. Okay, many of you, or probably a few now, forgotten to read this part. So 27.84, 84, all right, you round to 1 decimal place. It means I want to do it this way, 27 point something, only just 1 digit. it will be 27.8, right? 4 round down to 80, so 8. A crate of 9 mangoes weighs 35.8 kg. The crate weighs 25.9 kg. What is the mass of each of the mangoes? Okay, all you have to do, mango plus crate takes away the crate's weight, then you have 9.9. These are the total weight of mangoes. To find the weight of the mass of each mango, take 9.9 divided by 9, which is 1.1 kg. Wow, heavy mangoes. Let's carry on. Now, Izu started jogging at 7:45 in the morning. Here, 7:45. He ran for 1 hour and 50 minutes. So 1 hour will be 8:45. 15 minutes more, it will be 9 a.m. Now, this 9 a.m. here, this is in 24-hour clock. You are needed to write down your answer as 12-hour clock. So it will be written down this way. The 12-hour clock is 9 a.m. Now, Mr. Chan started driving from Singapore where? At 11:40 p.m. So 11:40 is here, 23:40, 11:40 p.m. Okay, on Saturday, the very late night. Okay, and arrived in Malacca at 3:10 a.m. Okay, the next day, early in the morning, 3:10 a.m. at Malacca on Sunday, from Saturday to Sunday. So how long was the journey? So these two were given. 23:40 at night, drove after midnight to 3:10. So all you have to do is use these 000 or 24 hour at the end of the day or beginning of the day as a milestone. It means you stop here. Now the time from 11:40 to 12 midnight is 20 minutes. Okay, he drove 20 minutes and it is 12 midnight. Then when he reached Malacca at 3:10, from 12 midnight to 3:10, okay, in the morning, all right, the time driven on the road was 3 hours 10 minutes. So the whole journey is this 20 minutes plus 3 hours 10 minutes. All right, over here, 20 minutes plus 3 hours 10 minutes is 20 minutes. Is 3 hour and 30 minutes. All right, or 3.5 hours he has been driving. All right. Next, section C. Okay, Kelvin wrote 2-digit odd number. The number is a factor of 54. Now, very important to get the marks, proper marks, list down. List down the factor of 54, you list it down. Okay, 1 times 54, 2 times 27. Now get used to this listing. 3 times 18 and 6 times 9. Now this number is also a multiple of 9. Now write down here multiple of 9 and see which of these numbers here are multiple of 9. Give them a tick. 54, 27, 18 and 9. Now which of these numbers just mentioned here are 2 digits? Okay, odd number. This is not, this out. This is even number, this is odd number, this is the one. This is even also. So the odd number, okay, the number which is the factor of 54, multiple of 9 and odd number. You must go through these 3 tests, okay, these 3 selection, okay, then you get 27, right? You have to train yourself to know the properties, the characteristics of numbers. Next, when a number is added, all right, a number, look here, you must have this thinking. A number is added, okay, to 1.14. Then when you multiply this whole answers here, okay, by 5, you should get 10.45. Okay, now so all I have to do is I concentrate on one part first. Okay, I concentrate on this part. I take 10.45 divide by 5 first. Okay, 10.45 divided by 5 gives me 2.09. So this whole thing is 2.09. 2.09 has got something to do with something plus 1.14. Okay, something plus 1.14 give me 2.09. So all you have to do is take 2.09 minus 1.14. You should get your answer. Okay, next. Now for this case, you must, okay, continue and learn how to draw the what do you call that, models. Okay, let's read together. Madam Sheila bought a bed and 3 lamps for her house. Now leave this first, okay, but go into the relationship of the cost between the two items. So you must say, how much is a bed and how much is a lamp? You see the relationship now. The key word, or the key sentence is here. Maybe I just do it a bit smaller so we can see. Okay, now watch out for the key. Now the key sentence is this. Okay, 4 times. Can you see? A bed 4 times, a lamp is 1 U. 4 times, this is 1 U only. Now she paid 1,500, okay, and received a change of 310. A total for these 1 bed and 3 lamp. Okay, you add 2 more here to make 3 lamp. This is one price of 1 lamp. Okay, sorry, cost of 1 lamp, cost of second and third lamp. This is 1 bed. Okay, now over here she got this amount out and get a change here. Okay, so the total of purchase should be this amount, 1190. 1 U, 2 U, 3 U, 4 U, 5 U, 6 U, 7 U. 7 U is 1190. Find 1 U, you just take 1190 divided by 7, you get 170. Alright, it means this one is 170, 170, 170, and this is 170 times 4. Now what is the question? How much was the bed? So the bed is 4U, 170 times 4 is 680. The bed costs $680. Alright, let's take a look at this. Read this first before I zoom it out, zoom it in. Sorry. The Lena had certain amount of money. This is the certain amount of money she has at first. Okay, this was, she did something to the money, and this is how much she has left. All right, let's draw this table to understand where you come from. So this certain amount of money we do not know. She spent 1/4 of it on skirt. So 1/4 here. This is fraction, 1/4 on skirt. How much on skirt exactly, we do not know, because there's no corresponding price over here from the fraction. Same, handbag, half on handbag. So same here, we do not know how much you spend on, right, handbag. right? But we know that she has $60 left. All we have to do is to find the fraction, the corresponding fraction, $60. It means this $60 is how many parts, how many U's there, all right? So number one is to find A, okay? To find A, all right, total there are 4 U's because, okay, we take how much money she has in fraction, takes away the money she spent in handbag and his skirt, should be left with a quarter. Now this quarter, okay, remember this quarter, probably let me just do a bit of this. Okay, this quarter here is the same as here. Okay, it means a quarter of her money is $60. So we found out from here, this is a quarter, this whole thing is $60. This 1 unit here is $60. This whole thing must be 60 times 4, 60, 60, 60, 60. That is the amount of money she has. All right. Let me probably zoom out a bit, so you can get for here. All right. So the amount, a quarter is $60, or 1 U is $60. You see, 1 quarter out of this 4, 1 quarter is $60. This 4U here is the amount of money she has. Can see total she has is 4U. This is 4 over 4. 4 over 4 minus 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4. I convert this denominator to be the same, right? Okay, maybe not to confuse you, let you understand. This part is actually 4 over 4. This is 2 over 4. 2 over 4. 4 over 4 minus 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4 is 1 over 4. Okay, 1 quarter is 60. This is 60. This is the money left. Okay, the rest you times 4, you get the total money she had at first. Let's carry on. Wow, I gotta go slower with this, but before that, let me zoom in and do the reading for you. Mrs. Tan had a container of syrup. Please visualize the whole container. All right, whole container is here. Okay, on the first day, she used 2/3 liter. 2/3 liter. Okay, now somewhere here she used up. Okay, now you must know the difference between half of the container, or if there's what do you call that, half of a container and half liter of the container is totally different. Okay, maybe I draw for you just right now for you to know. If I have this thing, half of a container and half liter, these two are totally different things. Half liter means half of a liter. 1 liter, 2 liters, 3 liters, half. Okay, not even 1 liter. But half of a container means this. This is the one whole of a container. Half of a container is this side. All right. Now, so on the first day, she used 2/3 liter, not more than 1 liter, which is somewhere here. She used 2/3 liter. Okay, she used 2/3 liter. Maybe she used 2/3 liter here. Okay, just sorry about that. Okay, she used somewhere here. All right, she used somewhere here. I got this problem with this zooming. Just please, just excuse me for a while. Okay, just hang on. All right, so the 2/3 liter is somewhere here being used. All right, then the first day is this 2/3 liter is being used, and the second day is 1/6 less than the first day. So take 2/3 liter minus 1/6. On the second day, the amount is 2/3 minus 1/6. Okay, so 2/3 minus 1/6 over here, right, is this one. First day and second day is here. First day, second day. These two plus together is half of the container. How do you know? Because half is left. Half of the container is left. This is 2/3 liter. This is 1/6 lesser than 2/3 liter. Alright? First day, second day. Understand this first. Alright? Now I'm getting it out. Okay. Let me scroll down. Hope you slowly understand. Now, so first day is 2/3 a liter. Second day is half liter. Why? Because I take 2/3 minus I take 2/3 minus 1/6 of a liter, which is half a liter left. Okay, half a liter, not half a container. So this one over here, I'm talking over here, used up are this. Day 1 2/3 liter, day 2 half a liter. Total together, okay, over here is 7/6 of a liter. 7/6 of a liter, it means it's 1 liter and something. 1 liter and 1/6. 7/6 of a liter. It means this part over here, which I've drawn, is 7/6 of a liter. How do I get this? Again, go back here. Day 1, day 2, 7/6. Got it? Now 7/6 is actually half of a container used, because half of a container is left. It means this part is also 7/6 of a liter. They are the same. Right? So if this is half, means they are equal amount. This and this are equal amount. I've added up first day, second day, which gives me 7/6. Alright, maybe I scroll up a bit. Okay, now 7/6, this two is 7/6, alright, or 1/6 liter. I found out that the half container I use is 7/6 liter. Whatever I've left is the same. It's also 7/6 because it is half of the whole thing. Alright, please look at it again. The working up over here. Slowly pause this video and try to understand. Okay, it's not so easy for me to start writing in this video. Alright, pause and understand yourself. Okay, right? The question they ask you now is, what is the capacity of the full container? It means they say, what is the capacity? How many liters of syrup did she have at first? It means the whole thing, this whole container, how much is it? All you have to do, take 7/6 of a liter over here, alright, and 7/6 liter plus these two together gives you the amount of syrup she had at first. Okay, the workings are down here. 7/6 plus 7/6 is 14/6, is 2/6 or 2/1/3 liter. The whole container is 2/1/3 liters. The mass, the weight of 5 packets of rice is 7.5 kg. The weight of 1 packet of rice is, watch here, 1.25 more than a packet of salt. Okay, 5 packets is 7.5 kg, right? You must find out one packet first. Okay, so what is the weight of 1 packet of rice? Take 7.5, divide by 5 first, you get 1 packet of rice. The weight of 1 packet of rice, 1.5 kg. Now, what is the weight of 2 packets of salt? First, you settle this thing first. Okay, find out 1 packet of salt. How heavy is 1 packet of salt? You take the weight of 1 packet of rice. Okay, now I got to draw this for you to see. Now this, the weight of 1 packet of rice is actually this, right? Minus the difference. This is the difference between a packet of rice and a packet of salt. Okay, once you minus the difference, this is the weight of the packet of salt. So 1 packet of salt is this. All right. Okay. Question: what is the weight of 2 packets of salt? All right. Let's go down. If 1 packet of salt is 0.25 kg, then 2 packets of salt will be 0.25 times 2, which is 0.5 kg. Right? 0.25 times 2 or 0.5 kg. Right? This side, this part here, you have to put kg. Right? A pair of earring, a belt, and a dress cost 67 altogether. The belt costs $5.50 less than, right, the pair of earring. Okay. The dress costs $27.80 more than the pair of earring. Find the cost of the belt. It looks many relationships stated there, but please tackle it, okay, one by one. And let's take a look. A pair of earring, belt, these 3 items, total is 67. Okay, you get this total 67. Fantastic, you got it, huh? Item 1, 2, 3, $67. Now let's take a look at their relationship. The belt is $5.50 less than the earring. Let's see, belt and earring. Belt is so much, $5.50 less than earring. All right, so this is the relationship here. Now next, the second DDR relationship. A dress costs $27.80 more than a pair of earrings. This is the cost of the pair of earrings. This is the difference, huh? It means the dress is 27 here, 27.80 more than earring. Okay, right? Find the cost of the belt. Now you have this, you have very, very good relationship. Over here, after drawing this estimate, I redraw it below. Take a look here. All right, I redraw below. I redrew this like this. Let me get it smaller for you to see. Okay. Now, what is the questions? The question is to find the cost of a belt, right? Find the cost of the belt. So a belt here. The question is find belt. It means find this. The belt happens to be U, right? If we draw a line here, these 3 unknown parts, okay, I'll put as U. 1U, 2U, 3U. But these 2 parts here, when you draw a line down, there is a $5.50 here, and there's a $5.50 on top. Right? Straight away you will see this. E, the earrings, is U plus $5.50. The belt itself is just U. And the dress is U plus $5.50, and the other side, $27.80. Okay, so if you see very carefully, there's a way of looking at this. Take all the 3U, put here. This is 3U plus this part here, $5.50 plus $5.50. Now ignore this blue part here. It's only this part has value. $5.50 plus $5.50 gives you $11. And over here, only this part. 2780. 3U plus 11 plus 2780 is $67. So from here, can you find? Yes. Take 67 minus this and minus 11. You can see 67 minus 11 minus 2780, you will get 3U. 3U is 67 minus that two figures, right? 67 minus this two figure is 3U. So you get 3U is 2820. 2820. Find 1U. 1U is 2820 divided by 3, which is 940. Alright, so look here. 1U is 940. This is 1U. This is 1U, 1U. 940, 940, 940. Okay, cost of belt is 1U, which is 1 times 940. So your answer is 940. That's all. That's what you asked for. 940. Okay. Right. If you were to be asked on the earring, cost of earring, all you have to do is 940 plus 550. What is the cost of the dress? 940 plus 550 plus 2780. Okay, so for this case, for this question, you only being asked for this part only. Okay, the cost of the belt. Hui Ming was at the library. Let's make it bigger. Was at the library at 11:15 a.m. Here, she started here, 11:15 a.m. Right? At the library, 11:15 a.m. Okay? She stayed there for 45 minutes. At the library, 45 minutes. Okay? Get this relationship right. Okay? Now she left the library and went to the supermarket. From here, she left, okay, and reached the supermarket at this time. She reached the supermarket at 12:15. Okay, she will walk from here. She walked left and reached the supermarket at 12:15. After that, she walked. She shopped for 1 hour. Sorry, over here was missing. She shopped for 1 hour 15 minutes over here. 1 hour 15 minutes. She went to the supermarket shopping for 1 hour 15 minutes. Then she started to walk home again. Walk home at this time and reach home at 13:50. Okay, which is 1:50 p.m. Question 1. How long did she take to travel from the library to the supermarket? This is the part. This is the question here. Okay? Here. Look here. From here to here. Question mark. She left the library. She walked. How long is this? That's question A. Question B. How long did she take to walk from the supermarket to her home? From here. After shopping at the supermarket, she started walking home. Alright. Question mark here. How many minutes? What was the time taken? And she reached home at this time. So all you have to do is find out this starting time. You should be able to find out this. Alright. From ending time and starting time, you should be able to find out this. For this case, find out the starting time she left the library and start walking, or the ending time at the library, or starting time she start to walk and reach the supermarket. Okay, so take a look again. Here's 45 minutes. From here, starting time 45 minutes, you should be able to have this time. When you have this time over here, you should be able to find this duration with the end time. Same for that. You must find this. Right, let me scroll down. Now, take a look at the first section. I'm talking about this section all the way to 12:15. Can you see? 11:15 to 12:15. Can you see? 11:15 to 12:15. Now the first part is from here to here and here. All right. Now you notice straight away 11:15 to 12:15 is 1 hour. Right? Can you see that? 11:15 to 12:15 is 1 hour. Now she was at the library for 45 minutes. And what is the other time? Take 1 hour minus 45, you get 15 minutes. 60 minutes here minus 45, you get 15 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes minus 45, you get 15. So when she leaves the library or left the library, started walking, she took 15 minutes before she reached the supermarket at 12:15. Right? Stare at this thing, understand it. Okay? It is straightforward and easy. I managed to get the beginning time, ending time here, and I got this. Alright? I found this time and I got this time here. I should be able to get, right, the time she took to walk to the supermarket. Now the second part is this here. Second part here, same thinking. Starting time is 12:15, ending time is 13:50. Let's take a look. Same thinking. Okay. There are two ways you can do it. First, you can find from here to here, right? What is the time here? The other way you can do is like this. From here, you want to find out this time. 1 hour 15 minutes. Right? She's shopping for 1 hour 15 minutes. She stopped at this time. This is the time you need to find out this time over here. Okay? So 1 hour from 12:15, 1 hour will be 13:15. Another 15 minutes, which is here, will lead you to 13:30, right? 1:30 p.m. here. She started walking home. She reached home at 1:50. From 1:30 to 1:50, 30, 40, 50, which is 20 minutes, right? The answer is 20 minutes. Stare at this thing for a while. Understand it. It should be easy. Try your best. Right? That is all. Okay. Please pause the video. Look over again and again. Do not commit small little mistake that make you lose marks. Right? Thank you very much.